Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Costco Anywhere credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To install a Costco Anywhere credit card, first, make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. You must be a Costco member to apply for the card. If you're not yet a member, visit your local Costco or go to the Costco website to sign up. Once you're a member, go to the official Costco credit card page. You can find this by searching Costco Anywhere credit card in your web browser. Click on the link to the credit card application. You'll need to provide personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Prepare to enter your income information as well. After filling out the online application form, review all your details for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your application is being processed. If approved, you'll receive your Costco Anywhere credit card in the mail. This may take around 7 to 10 business days. Once you receive the card, activate it by following the instructions included with it. You can typically activate your card online or by phone. After activation, familiarize yourself with the card benefits and rewards. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before using your card. Finally, start using your Costco Anywhere credit card to enjoy the benefits while shopping at Costco and beyond. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.